This lesson is about adding or subtracting simple fractions with like denominators. Before we start, a quick reminder. When we're talking about fractions, the top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. So when we have simple fractions that share like denominators, what that means is that the two fractions that you're adding or subtracting have the same denominator. When that happens, the process is fairly simple. You should always check and make sure that you're doing the right operation. This first problem is an addition problem. The second problem is a subtraction problem. It's very important to make sure that you're doing the correct operation. So, when adding or subtracting fractions with the same denominator, which we also call like denominators, what you do is you simply add or subtract the numerator. So, 2 plus 3 would give us 5. That is our numerator in the answer. And then for the answer, what you do is you keep the same denominator that the two fractions share. So in this example, the denominator that the two fractions share is 6. So in our answer, the denominator would also be 6. Our final answer for this problem is 5/6. Again, here we're going to check the operation. It's subtraction. So we simply subtract the numerators. 2 take away 1 is 1. And then for the answer, again, you keep the same denominator that the two fractions share. These two fractions share the common denominator of 3, and so we keep that denominator in our answer. Our final answer for this problem is 1/3. So to add or subtract fractions with like denominators or common denominators, what you do is you simply add or subtract the numerators only, and then in the answer, you keep the shared denominator.